Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to pack lighter and still look put together on your next trip, this video is for you. Today I'm showing you how to style one pair of jeans 5 different ways using a capsule wardrobe approach, perfect for travel. I'm styling a pair of light color jeans, but you can choose whatever jeans you like and use these outfit ideas for inspiration. I'm starting with my go-to travel look. A classic white tee, oversized blazer and comfortable flats. This outfit feels polished enough for the airport but still super comfortable for long travel days. A good thing is if you need to attend a business meeting or event right after arrival, you're already dressed appropriately for this. When it cools down, I layered the jeans with a chunky knit and classic blazer. Cozy, timeless and functional for cool days. Next up, the City Explorer. I love pairing the jeans with a cardigan and comfy flats, which is a great alternative to sneakers. Easy, breathable and stylish. Add a bag and sunglasses and you're good to go. For something more casual or warm weather friendly, I love a simple monochromatic outfit, styled with a statement belt for example. You can also add layering if you need, like a cardigan or knitted vest, which is perfect for a relaxed day. Jeans can do dinner too. I love pairing the jeans with a tweed jacket and silver flats. This look is elegant but still low effort, ideal if you don't want to overpack. And there you have it, 5 outfits from just one pair of jeans. With a capsule wardrobe, you don't need to pack your whole closet to feel stylish on the go. These outfits are versatile, comfortable and so easy to mix and match, whether you're going on a city break, business trip or weekend getaway. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel style tips and comment below which look you would wear first. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!